Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This side Ekta from Ekta's Art World. Today we will make a beautiful fridge magnet, a beautiful home decor item. For that I have taken an MDF cup shaped base, and on that I am using a white chalk paint. You can use white gesso as well, just to prime the base. Once my gesso has dried up, my chalk paint has dried up, I'm gonna use some acrylic neon color. These are from Fevicryl brand. You can use any type of chalk paints, acrylic colors from any brand. And here I'm using the neon magenta and the neon green color together. If you are liking my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share as much as you can. As you can see that here I am blending these two colors together. First layer dry होने के बाद you have to apply a second coat in the same way as you did before. And after applying the second coat, you have to dry it for at least 1 hour. This is the transfer sheets from Craftangles. You can use any brand transfer sheets. Here I am using the secret ingredient is love transfer sheets, and I am cutting the part of that. You can make projects in minutes using these transfer sheets. How to apply these transfer sheets? You need water, a brush or a sponge. This transfer sheet has a plastic film on top of that, and you have to remove that plastic film and paste it on your base. You have to press it very well. Now use your brush or a sponge and apply some water on that sheet. Once you wet all of it, now it's time for a magic. You have to slide that white part very slowly, and ta-da! How beautiful it has come. The secret ingredient is love. Now you have to apply a dry brush on top of that, just to press, just to settle it down. And after 30 minutes, you can apply a good coat of varnish on top of that, just to seal it. Now I'm gonna give some more textures to it. I'm gonna use the gold gliding flakes, and before that we have to apply a gilding glue to use that gliding flakes. And here I am applying very randomly here and there the gliding glue. After it has become transparent, now it's time to use the gliding flakes. जहाँ पर आपने gliding glue लगाया है, वहाँ पे you can apply these gliding flakes. And in minutes you can see a beautiful gold finish look fridge magnet. In this way you can enhance any of your project using these gliding flakes. It gives beautiful finish to your project. After applying the gliding flakes, here I am using a dry brush just to remove of the excess gliding flakes. Now I'm gonna splatter some black color on top of it very randomly, just a little bit splash of that black acrylic color, or you can use a black gesso or a black chalk paint. So guys, if you like my video and if you are inspired by it, please do like and subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. My Insta handle is Ekta_Dimpy. So tada! A beautiful fridge magnet, a home decor item is ready in just few minutes using these transfer sheets and gold gilding flakes. Bye. See you in the next video.